Figure available as of March 13, the business level of Bank of Baroda is reached around 8,08,000 crore. And with 8,08,000 crore business figure, Bank of Baroda today is the second largest bank in the country, only after the State Bank of India. We have a network of around 4,300 branches in India, and very recently on 28th March we opened our 100th overseas office. Again, in terms of international presence, Bank of Baroda is again the biggest, one of the biggest presence of any Indian bank overseas. As a matter of fact, State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda must be equal in international operations, and then our other banks are much smaller. So that is our overseas presence. Business wise, about 70% business comes from the domestic operation, while the 30% business comes from overseas operations. We have presence in 24 countries, either by way of branch or by subsidiaries or as a associate bank in shape together. As I mentioned, on 28th March, we opened our 100th overseas office at DIFC Dubai, and which was inaugurated by our Finance Minister, Shri P. Chidambaram. And this presence keeps on strengthening. This is as far as the overall business composition of Bank of Baroda is concerned. Bank of Baroda again is probably the only bank in the country which has the lead bank responsibility in 2 states. We are SLBC convener in 2 states, in the states of UP and also in the state of Rajasthan. In both the UP and Rajasthan, we have after amalgamation, we have large RRBs, and put together these RRBs are also having 1,200, 1,300 branches. Our third RRB is in the state of Gujarat. This is again a unified RRB. The branch distribution is fairly spread across the rural area, semi-urban, urban, metro, and with a particularly large presence in northern part of the country as also the western part of the country, and now put together in southern part also Bank of Baroda, which used to be a very small presence till few years back, but in last few years it is quite scaled up. This area continue to remain under our focus in this year as well as in coming year also. We want to further enhance our presence in the southern part of the country, which also includes the state of Karnataka. For the efficient business delivery, we have various innovative models. So like for retail loan, we started a system quite some time back for the first time in industry, which was known as Retail Loan Factory. It means that you do a retail loan within a very short time in almost like a assembly like fashion. We then started the same for the SME loan and started a SME loan factory. Today we have more than 70 retail loan factory all over the country, more than 45 SME loan factory all over the countries. Similarly, for the corporate credit, we have specialized corporate financial service branches. One of such branch is also in city of Bangalore in state of Karnataka. Similarly, for the mid-corporate, we have started opening a specialized mid-corporate branch. Bangalore city and Karnataka again is having a mid-corporate branch also. So like that, bank has a diversified domestic and international presence. Within domestic, presence in various regions. We are in all segment of business, and we have a specific business product and process model for catering to all section of the economy.